Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for getting these Balochi, not Balochi, this is Pashtun, and for getting any kind of turban, you guys can contact to my outlet A-Deal. The WhatsApp number is given in the description. We do not take delivery charges in all over Pakistan, so you guys can fix your order by contacting to my own brand A-Deal. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie this beautiful Pashto turban. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful Pashto turban.